Heroes like Burt Lancaster. Men who did what men had to do. Lone Plains drifters who sought to escape a troubled past. Men who knew no other way than to be true to themselves.
Where's Owen?
Went with Lee over to the telegraph.
You hear that? Somebody's in trouble.
Take some in and go see.
And these cowboys sounded vaguely familiar too. Sounded like my elderly uncles in Donegal who called their horses hosses and talked of victuals and critters too.
Go around the other side. Try to sneak up behind them. I'll cover you.
It took some time for me to realise that my uncles spoke that way because their people before them had been weaned off the Irish language and had learnt their English mostly from Ulster-Scots planters. Imagine how surprised I was when I learnt that Burt Lancaster was an Ulster-Scot. We can hear the hard-clipped cadences of a Belfast accent. He had spent his childhood in New York, surrounded by his Belfast-born extended family. I finally realised that the very qualities I admired in the likes of Burt Lancaster, the unwillingness to compromise, the iron determination, and the unyielding conviction, those were the same engines that fired the marchers outside on the streets. These were the same people.
I always could outdraw you, Owen. I'll spot you then, but it won't change anything. Come on out. Or do I have to come in and get you?
No wonder the cowboys and Indians didn't get along.